a little update on the last phase of the painting. As you know, I painted inside there before. That all cured, and then I went and prepped this, and around here and down the edges in here. I even painted that. This SEM paint is about $20 a can. You get it on Amazon. Just make sure it always has this number here. This is what late model restoration uses for the Mustangs, and I'm assuming that this is kind of the match of this Mustang that they used. That paint is, people paint these. I mean, I've seen where they painted all this faded stuff. That's the paint that they go to. It's supposed to adhere to that factory finish, and I didn't even have to rough that up. It says don't even, just clean it real good, degrease it, but don't rough it up too much. So I used that on that. It looks pretty good. I had 3 coats on there. Well, actually 4. I put a light coat just because I'm just that way. It's been 2 days, and I just put a light coat over it, so I'm done. But you can see. You see all this is going to be, I took a pencil and traced that, so all that is going to be covered up by this vent. But this is, check it, look, this is the brand new vent right here. This paint ain't cured yet, but look at the paint. Once that dries, that'll match up pretty nice to that factory paint. So to me it looks good, but I could have used that paint if I wanted to. I could have painted all this. I could paint these trim pieces. I could even paint the antenna, since it's gonna be in the garage. I could have painted everything with that paint, but I just chose to go the easier route to get brand new stuff for the price, and that was going to be to repaint it and just buy brand new stuff and install. It was about the same. So I got brand new wipers, but that's that. So I mean, you don't have to be a master painter or anything to do things yourself. You just gotta take your time, prep, and like I said, we'll put the vent back on top of it. Probably one thing I will do is, I'll probably have another video of this, just a short video, is I do undercoat. I do a lot of NH undercoating on my truck. I had a 2007 Silverado that still had the rockers on it, but that was a $400 undercoating gun. So it has the little tips in there for the frame. You put in the frame and stuff. And I will probably put that mister. It has like a mister. You can go inside the doors and stuff. I'll probably stick that mister back in there where all them seams are, and this seam here, and I'll probably just seal that with that oil-based undercoating, and I'll walk away from this job and never have to worry about it again. So that's probably what I'll do. Just like the third thing that I'll do, because it won't affect anything here. It'll just basically just help it out. It'll dispel any water or moisture comes down there. So there you go. We're getting somewhere.